hey ho, friends. Guess what time of the month it is? Full moon. Full moon. I'm really looking forward to this set. I saved these from last year, waiting for fall to come around because I think they're stunners. So this is Rings of Saturn. And it has a good mix. Like, it has these slate blues also, kind of blue-gray. And they come from the middle, the ombre does, where the kind of brown and coppery and gold comes from the top. The brown coppery gold has a gold shift. And this, yeah, that has a gold shift also on it. So I haven't used these yet. I was very excited though. I just wanted them to be used in fall time. Like, what do I care? I don't know, but I do, you guys. They just feel very fall to me. That really is the best fit for that finger, but I hate to use both those pinkies right away. But I did it. I've gone and done it. And I'm not using decals on this one. Whoops, I smudged that too far. That's okay. It's my nailfy hand, but it's still okay because I am gonna have a really good finish on these. I think that one's so pretty. I know this wasn't a, like, top 10 kind of set for people, but I did think it was beautiful. And I believe it came with these. Well, not with them, but you know, same release. This is Starry Night. And it is petite size, so, you know, that's fine for me. Not fine, probably, for everybody. Could I use it on 2 fingers? I feel like maybe I could. Let's see. Gosh, I'd be close. Let's try it. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? It doesn't work. That's all. Oh, like a glove. So if I kept my nails short all the time, then I could wear petites all the time? I mean, I couldn't because there's not very many petites available. It's not something, it felt like they went in spurts. Like they were all over it this summer with the kids home from school and stuff. And then that was it. I know there's some in the core catalog, but I have no idea, you know, how that's going. Is it going well? Are they going to keep petites? If you're a stylist, do you feel like you sell many petites? I don't know where they come in most handy for. And that, well, I think it's gorgeous set, but I know it's not high on the list of everybody. So cute. They go so perfect together. And then it even has like a little grayish star in there to go with that one. That release, they were definitely made to be friends. Oh, so cute. So today's the last day of the ruckus, I believe. If I'm recording and scheduling these right. Which, you know, that's always up in the air whether or not I'm keeping them straight. And then that means tomorrow is the most magical time of the year. 25 days of Nailmas. Yes, girl. You better be subscribed. You not want to miss out on that kind of nonsense. Well, maybe you do. Maybe you're like, no, Stacy. Christmas nails, not my jam. I understand, but they are my jam, girl. I'll be getting all up in it. There should be a cute video of little Pan at the end of this video, you guys. Don't do it, Pan. He is a real menace, you guys. Oh, don't do it, Panny. He's a menace, friends. Cute menace, but a menace nonetheless. I was thinking Thanksgiving, but technically, well, not technically, for reals, this will be posted after Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving's very early this year. 23rd. Josie's birthday's the 29th, and usually it's right around, like, literally the day of type of situation. Come on. You guys let me know below if you want me to send you this cat. He's cute, but he's trouble. There. Okay. Now, let's do this one. I hope I like this one on me. I feel like I like the idea that it, you know, pulls that color out, but I don't know if I'm going to like it on me because I mean, that's more white down there. The gold flash might save it, though. Okay. It's not too bad. Not a fan of white against myself. Cool colors. Not super my jam. I still need to do my something I wouldn't normally wear for my bingo board. I just don't know. I mean, I should pick lavender because I think that's something I never wear. But also, really, pastels, just in general, I think will work. That's Pan for you guys. Getting himself all worked up back there. I wonder if I can bring some of this. Let's see. Straighten the edge. No, you can't do that. That doesn't look good. Sorry, friends. It was good in theory. It was not good in reality. Alright, this one. I'll just cut off more of the white on this one. It does have the gold spark to it, but only looking certain ways. So for me, the majority of it is just looking a little too cool against my skin tone. Which, for me personally, cool colors just makes me look like zombie skin. But that's okay because I prefer warm colors anyway. I'd rather go all this whole way than that way. There we go. All right. Ooh, this might help though. We're going to top it with coffee beans. So this is a triple color flake. And it's like red bronze, maybe gold, or maybe greeny. I don't know, but it's really pretty, so let's do it. Somebody else just used this in Sassy, and I was like, hey, is that coffee beans you're wearing? And it was, so I was like, dang it, I gotta use it. Because it's really good, and it'll be really good in the sun. If we have any sun. You know. With time change now, that's questionable. I don't want it super heavy on that star finger. Oh, it's pretty. Okay. Let's do that finger first. Glad to have it heavier on that one. And this one. Yep, that's a good one. Ditty's a good one, you guys. Panty found squeaky toys. We'll never hear the end of it, friends. I'm sure those zillion colors don't show on camera. They never want to. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay, now. Give it a little. And this is the plumpish. And we need that to add in a bunch of shine. Oh yeah. I'm still torn on this thumb, you guys. And originally when I was setting this Manny up, there is a thumb that's also this brownie colorway. And I took that out and I was like, oh no, I should use this one because then it will pick up that, like, that color out of the star strip. I should have known better, but it's okay. Because now that's what I have to use next time is all the brown colored ones. Bugger it anyway. Yep, that's good. There's a big piece of it. There we go. I feel like this topper is about 2 uses away from being stringy, which frustrates me. It makes me wonder if you can do a gel topper and not get stringy. Is it something to do with the thickness? See, there's one. beautiful. It's still beautiful. Yeah. The other thing I thought about doing was cutting these strips so that it was like the brown, the gold, more gold, and then the brown up top again. But I think I'll do that next time I use it, when I'm not looking to, you know, load it up with coffee bean top coat. Although you never know, I might be. Alright, there it is. Okay, you guys, this is your last fall mani before we fall into Christmas, so enjoy it. Well, if you don't like Christmas stuff, then enjoy it. If you do, then say adios, suckers. There it is. Alright, guys, have a good one. See you soon. Bad things are going to happen here. It's going to involve my puzzle going flying. Don't touch his little puffball tail. He gets very mad. It's not a toy. Can you say hi? Hello, bee. Please don't lose any of those pieces you're laying on. Don't touch it. He don't like it when you touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, you got a hold of it. You know you're going to get in trouble for this, right? Do you know you're going to get in trouble for it? He's taking his bath. It is a very appealing tail, isn't it? Don't eat pieces. Naughty little beast. I'm glad you two can be so close. Don't eat pieces. Ah, spit it out. Get out of there. Got it? Now, don't do it. No, don't do it.